Oh my God, I think the locking tool is stuck in your head. Hey y'all, welcome back to Wind Down with Lee. Y'all know how we do it. We get straight to it. And today I'm going to be retying my son's hair. Y'all have seen him before on the channel with our video relationship advice. Yes. So this is his hair. He was 3 months traditionally locked. He started in June. And we started to retie his hair with the 2-point rotation in September. So he has been 6 months retied with the actual 2-point rotation. So all in all, about 9 months locked. All right, let's get started. I'm going to use some of the tactics that Auntie has been teaching us to see if I could go with the how-to video and actually retie his hair. All right, y'all. So I'm using my sister's technique to do my son's hair. As you've been seeing, I've been going through and, getting his parts nice and crispy, putting the grease on his scalp, and then going through and, retying his, but I'm only using the 2-point method. And so far, I'm noticing that the top part of his hair is definitely more locked than the other. My baby is falling asleep on me. So I have to go fight him to get to his head. But yeah, so as my sister always says, that's the why right there that you guys look for. And you, come on baby, don't go nowhere. You do the same thing for the 2-point rotation. Don't worry about it. It's just thick. Pulling his through when at the top is really hard because it's already locked. And my hands are greasy. So, dang, honey, I'm sorry. Hold on, let me make sure I'm doing this. Jesus Christ. This the only one that did this. Oh my God, I think the locking tool is stuck in your head.
Oh my God, it won't come out, guy.
Oh Jesus. Oh Lord. Okay, so it wasn't stuck, y'all. What happened was his hair is really thick up here. Like, I don't know if you guys could tell, but his lock is real thick and it's definitely already locked. But it was just a little thick to get through that part. And as she showed us We're going to twist it around. I use the clamps to clamp his down because when he first started his locks, that's just what was done. Hey, come on, baby, hurry up. Stay with me. Stay with me. Stay with me, Kai. Stay with me. That's just what I had done. You don't have to do this. But like I said, he was traditionally locked for 3 months. Look at that. That's that little hair Auntie was talking about, making sure. Get my hand out the way. Pulling it out. Keeping it flexible. Still trying to get it out without popping it like that, so that he can have his crispy parts. Still trying to make it straight. Don't leave me, Kai. Stay there. And we've done this to his hair a couple of times. And his is real thick, so I have to put just the, hold your head up too. Hold your head up. Kai. Okay, stay up, baby. Get it through the hoop. Checking to see which way my Y is. Looks like my Y is to the side right here, so I don't want to put a 2-point. Don't want to go back into that same hole. I'm taking it to the top and dry my hands off from all the grease. My baby is going on me. Pull that through, that part. Stay together with me, Kai. And then you see my Y has come a little bit better. You can see it better. That's my Y right there. I'm gonna go through it right here so you can see it again. Look at that, Auntie. Look at that. Pulling it through. His is so thick up here. And it only takes twice for him right now because how much his hair has grown. And I'm using my little paste that I showed you. It's a twisting paste that I got that was recommended by Kiki J. She says she used it on her locks, but I've used it on the boys' hair because they used to use that lock and gel that everybody uses. Keep your head up too. He is gone on me. This is gonna be a long, long night. Since they had started using that on their hair, I just kept using a rendition of it on their hair. Yep. And then that's it. Lock that in and that's that, y'all. All right, y'all, I just used Auntie's method to retie my son's hair. This is the 2-point rotation, and I did use some twisting paste from for his hair, and also added the clips. So that was something just a little bit different. But everything else, every other step was taken from Auntie's technique on how to do DIY Microlocs. I know he doesn't have Microlocs. He started off with traditionals, like I said in the beginning, for 3 months. And then we did the 2-point rotation on him. A lot of the ones at the top, they are fully locked. If you've enjoyed at least seeing the how to work, then leave me some comments and let me know. All right, y'all. Good night.